In the wake of Manipur issue, don't imagine that all Hindus are against Muslims or Christians. Let us listen to one who is secular to the core.
My fellow Indians, my brothers and sisters, this message is for all of you peace-loving Indians who believe in a united, secular and democratic India. Because that is the India that we hold close to our heart. But there are some people who want to destroy that concept. There are some people who don't want to treat people as Indians. They want to treat them as Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Dalits. They want to destroy the very fabric of our country. Do not let them do that. These Hindutva forces conducted an event in Haridwar. Look at what they did. They called for a genocide against our Muslim brothers and sisters. How can we allow this to happen? And this ruling government is enabling that. No action is being taken. They are free to call for a genocide of an entire community. Millions of people. Our brothers and sisters, are they not? You can say they don't speak for me. I'm a Hindu, but they don't speak for me. I mean, all Muslims and Christians in this country are living in fear. They are the rightful sons and daughters of this country. How can they be alienated? How can they be terrorized like this? And how can we allow that to happen?